you ever see that?
Huh? Yeah.
Did they ever see that? The guy.
Oh yeah. He's making a bubbler with plates and stuff in it. He's using plates and 316L.
That's cool. Hey Gakko.
Hey boss.
Just about the same.
That's just a vibration.
What's that?
The water there was just vibrating.
Oh.
In there. It was like, wow, look at that.
Something for you moving, huh?
They showed a rerun Department interview talking about having investors be a big part of it. See, they're trying to come up with things that investors can invest in.
Right.
And that's why they're never going to show anything like this.
They think they should keep it secret.
They got to keep it to where investors can put money into it. So I wrote something on Popular Mechanics yesterday as a reply to, the Truth About Hydrogen article they wrote. They're spending $375 million to build 3 cellulose research facilities so they can burn plants and stuff, which of course they can control that by how many plants get made, how you break it down, stuff. But if they spent that money on these systems, they could put 125 million. I'm sorry, 1,250,000 year units in cars and actually do something now.
Right.
Instead, all that 375 million isn't going to save a penny.
Which tells you what? They're not trying to do anything.
It's just going to be another government sucking sound.
Right.
Sucking money to do something so investors can invest in it when the people can invest $300 and do this. Absolutely. It's what grassroots is all about.